guys, welcome back to my channel. Here you can see that I went to shopping the other day, just wanted to replace all my pots and pans. So here I've come to Pro Cook and I was choosing a few of the pots and pans which one I wanted. I wasn't able to carry them, they were super heavy, so I got them ordered online. And yeah, so I thought I'd share it with you guys. I also ordered the Brabantia ones. Those are the ones that I always used. I mean, I think it was over about 15 years ago I bought them, and I always replace them every 3 years. So yeah, I've replaced them as well. And so yeah, that's coming to the end of the video. Please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't. And yeah, so that's it. Take care of yourself. Assalamu alaikum.
عليك يا رسول